Are you trying to decide between Asana and Google Workspace to help you stay organized? Both are powerful tools that promise to simplify your workflow, but which one really does a better job? Let's dive into a comparison of these two options and see which one lives up to the hype. First things first, Asana is designed specifically for task management. If you're looking to stay on top of your projects, assign tasks, and track progress, it's got you covered. The beauty of Asana is its visual organization. You can use boards, timelines, or simple to-do lists, depending on how you prefer to structure your work. It's an ideal tool for teams and projects where tasks need to be assigned and tracked closely. Next thing, we have Google Workspace. Now, it's not exactly a task management tool at its core. It's more of a suite of apps that work together to help you stay organized in different ways. From Gmail to Google Docs and Sheets to Google Meet, everything is integrated into one platform. It's great for collaboration, communication, and storing your files on the cloud. But while it offers basic task management features in Google Calendar and Google Keep, it's not quite as specialized as Asana for task tracking. The third thing to consider is how each platform handles collaboration. Asana is built around team workflows. You can assign tasks, leave comments, and attach files all in one place. It's clear and easy to see who's responsible for what. On the other hand, Google Workspace shines when it comes to real-time collaboration. You can edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations together instantly, which makes it ideal for teams who need to work simultaneously on content. The fourth thing is customization. Asana allows a lot of customization for different workflows and project types. You can create custom fields, templates, and even automate certain tasks, which is great for teams with unique needs. But that flexibility can sometimes lead to a steeper learning curve for new users. Google Workspace doesn't offer the same level of customization for project management, but the simplicity of the tools can be a huge advantage for smaller teams or individuals who want a quick and easy way to organize their work without much setup. Fifth, let's talk pricing. Asana offers both free and paid versions, but you'll need to go premium to unlock advanced features like timeline views, custom fields, and reporting. Google Workspace, on the other hand, is subscription-based, with pricing depending on the tier you choose. You do get access to a suite of productivity tools, but you might end up paying for features you don't need if all you're after is project management. Now, let's talk about integrations. Both Asana and Google Workspace integrate with a wide range of third-party apps. Asana integrates with tools like Slack, Dropbox, and Microsoft Teams, while Google Workspace connects seamlessly with other Google services and also has integrations with a variety of third-party apps. However, if you're already embedded in the Google ecosystem, the integration with Google Workspace can be a major advantage. So, which one is better for staying organized? It really depends on your specific needs. If you're focused on task management and need a solution to keep projects on track, Asana might be the better choice. But if you're already using Google's suite of tools for emails, documents, and storage, and just need a basic way to organize your day-to-day tasks, Google Workspace might do the trick. Both options are solid in their own right, but here's the thing, after testing both of these myself, I found a better alternative. If you want a more streamlined way to stay organized, I recommend trying out the free trial linked in the description below. You'll get exclusive benefits through our link, and it just might be the tool that actually helps you stay on top of everything in a way that Asana and Google Workspace can't quite match. Check it out, and thanks for watching.